Hello everyone and welcome to a new build of Tales of the Space Age from the LEGO Ideas set. This first video I'll be doing the first bag or part or whatever. I'll be going through the box. I'll show you around the box and yeah, let's get started. So here you have the front. You got 4 different scenes of a space age. There's 688 pieces, 18 plus from the LEGO Ideas, and it's set number 21340. So let's go ahead and look at the side here. There's that in Spanish, I think. There's the top in French. There's the other side and the back. So you can put it up on the wall, connect them. I'll probably connect them. And there's the bottom, UPC, fun stuff. So, if you're watching these videos daily, you're probably wondering where this build is. I will let you know while I open this. So I think I lost the stickers or I didn't get stickers with it. So I have to go through LEGO to get the stickers and it's gonna take a little bit. So I decided just to go ahead and build the Tales of the Space Age set while we wait for the stickers. And I mean, it's not a big deal. Like, all you need is the sticker just for the fender on the amp, the Princeton amp thing, and the plate on the back of the guitar. Bag number 4, bag number 1. So we'll be needing that one first, obviously. There's 2. Eight, and here is our booklet. And I think that is it. Alright. So we are going to put that in front of that box, and I need to turn that light back on. There we go. We're going to go ahead and move all of these LEGO bags over here. And need a knife. So don't judge this knife. My dad gave it to me. He bought it from someone, but it has like a skulls on it. I'm not really a skull person, so, but it's a really sharp knife and it does the job, so. What the heck? It's 4 different books. That's interesting. So that is it in there. Set that to the side. This will show you around the books. Here's book number 1, 2, 3. There's 5 books. Why are there 5 books? Okay, so we'll do it this way. Okay, get them back in order. Okay, so there's that. We will put those over there, that back there, and kind of. So there's the first page. It shows you to sign up for LEGO VIP, which you should. Kind of show this closer. If you want to read it, you're more than welcome to pause it and read it. Or in different languages. I think this is just telling you about them. But again, you're more than welcome to pause it, read it. Okay, there is the designer. Oh, this is bag number, or this is for 8, so this is So this is our last bag, actually. Our last book, I should say. Okay, so we are on the correct bag here. I'm gonna keep this to the side. It's gonna be just like my normal videos where I show a step, then I do it, and then I show the next page's steps and do those. Okay. So another brick separator. Can go along with our blue one. Whatever. Might need those, might not, I don't know. But anyway, here is our first page and the second page. So we need this piece and a really long piece. I'm going to zoom in just a smidge. Okay, and now we need 3 of these plate pieces. Okay, already on the next page. There's that. And the next page. And if I'm showing them too fast, you're more than welcome to end your building with me. You're more than welcome to pause it, to look at the steps. You can also find the steps on Lego's site. If you just look up the set and directions, it'll pull them up. Okay, and now we need 6 little L-looking pieces. Go this way. Okay. There is that done. Now we need a white in the middle and 2 1x4s next to it. Okay. Okay, we need another one of those. Okay, on to the next step. And it tells you what blue to use. And the next page. Okay, so we need these light blues. To go there. That goes there. With the hole facing up. And another one with the hole facing up. Maybe. There we go. Just like that. And now we need 2 blues. Blue to go there and a blue over here on the end. Okay. And 2 plates to cover them. Maybe. There we go. All right. Angle it down just a smidge. Okay. We also need this. Okay. Now on to the next page. There's that. And the next step. So we need 1, 2, 3. And a light blue on top of the turquoise looking color. And we need to do that twice. Okay. On to the next page. I need 3 turquoise and 2 turquoise on top of dark blue. There we go. And dark blue. Don't drop a piece. There we go. Is it looking arty yet? All right. So now we need 3 dark blues and a long black piece with some blues and another long black piece on that. So first we need these. Here is our long black piece with the blues. And another long black piece on top of it. And it just snaps on top of that. Okay. Already on our next step here, we are making the antennas. I think that's what they're called. And doing 2 of those. Is that it? Yep. It's the last 2 steps of this. So I need this piece. To go there. Oh, shoot. Okay. This might be a challenge. Okay. There's that, and now we need to do it again. I figured it might be easier to do it like that. There we go. Okay, so now we need to do this next step twice. Kind of move that to the side. I don't know why my chair just slipped. So we need 2 of these. With the hole going towards the middle. That was interesting. Not sure what that sound was. Okay, and now we need kind of a brick on top of that. Now 2 more bricks on top of that with one of these going in there and 2 bricks on that. Now just doing the exact same thing. spin it around. I wonder what goes back here. But anyway, that's going to be it for this episode, or part, or whatever. If you enjoyed and want to see more of Tales of the Space Age from the LEGO Ideas set be built, go ahead and subscribe to know when the next video goes up, and leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.